Elsa.
Let me see. That's for Uncle
Look.
Chuck.
Ah! Whoa, stop. Oh.
That is so cool.
Oh, sorry. This is hers too. See this one. Oh, that's a dog. Oh, that's good for your friend. A best friend of mine. A best friend.
Your mom's got it somewhere right here.
I got two for all real friends.
How do you
I'll get my other, okay?
Okay.
I'll get my other.
Huh? That's so cool.
How do you turn this watch on?
I'll show you in a minute.
Here is my other for real friend.
They're gonna have. It's gonna be a for real family. Out.
Ouch is just a stupid head.
Open it up. Emily, don't. I'll show you in a minute.
I can see him. He's meowing at you.
Do you want me to get your DS running?
Don't worry about the DS.